Move quickly to the trade of the day within the construction sector, and that is Mr. Theron.
Okay, so we're a bit wishy-washy, but the one we want to go for in the portfolio is a long position on Wilson Bailey. So, why is that? My argument, in summary, is that when there's a potential for a turnaround, rather go with the company that has the least to prove, particularly given that the fact is it's not like the bells are ringing and we're feeling like the tidal wave of high margin work is about to hit these guys.
Can I ask, what was an all-time high then on Wilson Bailey Homes Overcon?
I wouldn't have an answer for
I
that.
think, I think it got
is?
to somewhere around 200 Rand a share. So
200.
just prior to this chart here, and we're now sitting up in around the sort of 160 area.
So there's still a lot of upside in your book. If we see the whole sector re-rate, that's the argument about going long here.
Yes, and I think my sense is that if the sector gets a re-rating, this one will get picked earliest because it's right up there now in terms of market cap. There's no difference between it and the others. Plus, it'll then be for them, with their stronger balance sheet and better track record, to be a consolidating force in the industry. They have already done a couple of bolt-on deals along the way. They're continuing to tweak the portfolio. They've got a lot of annuity type business in there, you know, where they've got toll type concessions and other longer term revenue earning deals. And as I said earlier, they've got a great internal team.
Lavan, buy in now, is that the story here?
For me it is, for a number of reasons. Certainly they've been able to grow by way of the acquisition of Connect. There's momentum on the share price. The earnings are expected to continue growing. I must, as a caution, say for the sector overall, yes, it's cyclical, and I wouldn't jump in just because it's cheap. And also the formula buy or construct. And for now, it seems a number of players are looking to buy rather than build new developments. It's cheaper to buy. But if you've got to pick a stock, I'd go with Wilson Bailey. I think it's a buy at this level.
You're going to notify, obviously, all your followers that you are going to go along. You need to go to www.followhotstocks.com to receive that information.
Correct. And then you get a little video clip, which is us explaining why the stock's a good one, and you get that in advance of the show being aired, so you got the opportunity to do that. And then you can monitor and see how we do. I will just say that because this isn't perhaps a high conviction trade, and because I don't see an immediate catalyst with regard to this. So this is going to be a fairly modest position.
A modest position. How have you done since I've been gone?
Now we've been doing well again. We're now up about 16% on the original investment.
Didn't you take a bit of a knock on Richemont? I saw that news flow while I
No, we
was
got
away.
stopped out of Richemont. We took a bit of a knock on the retail stocks, but in fact since then we've had a big resurge in fortunes with our short in Harmony doing well and a nice rebound in a number of our core holdings.
Lavan, just you're confident about this play now going long on WBHO?
I'm choosing it because we have to choose something. I wouldn't be extremely confident on the sector as a whole.
But you can't blow us out of the water in the last 20 seconds of the show.
That's my sentiment as
I'm
well.
lukewarm on it.
You're warm. No. You've got to be hot on it. You've already committed to this.
I'm hot.